I created my website in React in 9 days with no experience, and this is how I did it. On the day 1, I spent all day going through the basics of JavaScript on this app called SoloLearn, and I also drafted the website layout on my tablet. On the day 2, I researched the tag I wanted to use, and I chose React, Next.js, then plain CSS. Then I also used Adobe XD to create the prototype. On the day 3, I took a React course, which took about 10 hours and got me really confused. On day 4, I started coding by following a YouTube tutorial, but then I realized we have different versions of Next.js, and I cannot just follow it to get where I want. On day 5, I finally read the documentation and I started coding by following it. I managed to create a hero section and a placeholder for my showreel. On day 6, I created this grid with logos, which made me spend all day learning CSS, but in the end I even managed to make it interactive. On day 7, I finally felt like I'm getting in, and I made the testimonial carousel, which was rendered dynamically based on JSON file. On day 8, I made portfolio section that was rendered similarly, and I also added the contact form and the footer. On the last day, I made the website interactive using React Scroll library. I used email.js for the contact form, and I designed the mobile navigation. After that, I had some time left, so I added this cool background effect that I found on YouTube. Now I just had to commit the project to the GitHub, and I used